Welcome to the third part of the Employee Management HR System project, where we explore a unique approach to managing users and the login system. Let's get started.
In the last session, we were in the middle of creating the My Business form. Let's start with the Upload Logo button. Start coding from the on-click event of the button. I have created an image that will be intact by default. In case the logo is not updated to display, select Photo. This image is inside the default image folder. This method is useful to maintain the speed and the size of the database because images will not be directly integrated with the MS Access tables. You can click on the eye icon above to learn more about the best methods to store images in MS Access. Copy your default folder address and update the address with the default name of the logo image. Start the onload event of the form to intact the default image while opening the form. One more important thing to be noted at this stage. If you encounter an error of object not found, make sure to find and select the Microsoft Office Object Library by selecting Options from the tool preferences. The version is dependent on your MS Office. Copy the complete address of the default image. Very fine. You can add a friendly label to fill out the business form. Move on to complete the Submit button function. First, check the mandatory fields which contains asterisks. If employee management is logging on for the first time, a new record will be updated in the business table. Otherwise, it will be pointed to update the first record only to avoid issues in the database. Next is to create a form to add a new user. Copy the business form and rename it. Delete the upload and onload code. Arrange the text boxes properly, rename, and apply a password mask. You can upgrade your login system with advanced features by clicking on the I button above with an Ultimate Login System project. Don't worry, as all the links are given in the description. After renaming the Submit button, start the on-click event coding where the mandatory fields must be checked. The password and verify password must be the same. Next is to check for duplicate usernames to avoid conflict. To ensure data integrity, edit the user table field with full name. Add a button to open the main dashboard. There is an error in the table reference. Rename the login table to the user table. Before proceeding further, you should have to understand the process. The system will check if the user logged in as an admin or not. If yes, the new user form will be open so users can be added by the admin only. It will also be possible to move to the main dashboard from the new user form. In the other case, if the user is not an admin and the business information has already been updated, then the main dashboard form will be opened directly. If the business information not updated, business form will be opened rather than the dashboard. As described earlier, we will use the login system of the Master Business Accounting Project's powerful user management for the login form. You can click on the eye icon above or the link in the description. I have applied the login form, which contains 2 text boxes for the username and password and a login button. To avoid any misunderstanding of the code, remove the code from the login button so it can be written from scratch. Define a variable for both the username and password text boxes because we will use it multiple times. Check the mandatory filling of the username of password. Verify the username and password from the user table. If both are found, start the business startup status. In case of wrong username or password, the error label will be displayed. Let's make the login form open by default while opening the database. Restart the database to examine the login process. There is no user present in the user table so far, so create the admin user manually. There are two problems. One is the size of the form, and the other is that after logging on to the admin account, the user form should be opened rather than the business form. Change the form's properties option auto size to yes. For the second update, open the login button code and add a condition to open the user form while the admin logs in. Very fine, the new user form has been opened, but it should be in a pop-up or dialog mode and be auto-sized. Good work, finally. Let's check this error, which is expected due to a reference. Let's enter the user other than admin. The business form is open due to first-time login. That is great work, as we have completed our login process, which is best for the distribution of the database to the users. Fine, there is no record updated so far. Let's start the process of business information input again. This time, the main dashboard should be opened because the business information has already been updated. We have successfully achieved our mission with this video. From the next important video, we will start creating the employee and allowance addition form. If you enjoy skill header videos and find them helpful, please support us with a like, comment, and share. It really motivates us.